This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the BlindShell Classic 2, brought to you by Payon Media, LLC. If you want to back up your BlindShell, highly recommended if you're going to reset it or you simply want to keep your information up to date, insert a micro SD card or a USB thumb drive. I have a thumb drive inserted into a USB-A female to a USB-C male. Access the settings option.
Sounds, 1 of 10.
Go up once.
About phone, 10 of 10.
Press OK.
Software versions, 1 of 5.
Access the service menu.
Service menu, 4 of 5. Do you want to restart to service menu? 1 of 1.
And you do, so you'll press OK. The phone will vibrate twice. These vibrations will be separated and go quiet for, I don't know, give it about a minute or so, and then it'll come up and start talking to you.
BlindShell service menu.
And you can hear it through my phone. It said restart phone. We'll choose
backup data, 3 on 6.
So you'll need to press down twice. I'll press OK on this.
Select a backup type. Full backup, 1 on 2.
I want to do a full backup, so I'll press OK.
Starting user data backup. Please be patient.
And now the phone is gently vibrating. Every 3 seconds, I feel a vibration telling me that the phone is working. This whole process took about 5 minutes or so, and then I was told that the backup was complete. I then chose Restart Phone and was able to restart my phone. If you're attempting to do a factory reset, you can also choose Factory Reset on this menu option as well. Note that factory resetting the device will erase all of the content, so it is highly encouraged that you perform a backup prior to doing a factory reset. Lastly, choose Restore Data if you'd like to restore the data from your micro SD card or USB Type-C thumb drive. The BlindShell Classic 2 used in this demonstration was provided by ATguys. Visit atguys.com/blindshell to learn more or purchase yours today. The music used in today's Shell Phone Show was thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection. If you or someone else you know is interested in the BlindShell Classic 2, be sure to stay subscribed to the Shell Phone Show on your favorite podcast platform. This is a Payon Media production.